Hi everyone, thanks for joining. We will start in around 30 seconds. Okay, I think we can start now. So hi everyone, welcome to our BNB Hack Winner live demo. Today you will see demos from our winners, hear their story, and get a chance to win 100 by asking a great question under the X Live post. And let's welcome our guests today. First, we have Maya, CPO of Bink AI. Hi, Maya. You want to say hi?
Hi everyone, nice to see you today.
Thanks for joining us today. Yep.
Yeah, and a pleasure to be a BNB Chain AI Hack winner.
Perfect. And second, we have Alex, growth lead from Tokyo. Hi, Alex.
Hello guys, I'm Alex from Talkreal.
Great to have you here today. And last, we have Dudu, growth lead at Stitch AI.
Hello, this is Dodo from Stitch AI. I'm honored to be here.
Perfect. Then we have our winners here. And for today's session, we will include a live demo and a Q&A session for each team. And don't forget to drop your questions under the BNB Chain X Live post. And if your question is selected, you will win $100. Then let's kick off with our first winner, Bink AI. Hi, Maya, the stage is yours.
Yes. So what should I present? Should I be presenting the demo? Yes. Okay, so let's have a walkthrough. What is our product and what we will be doing in the very next phase. So first of all, Big AI is a revolutioning DeFi with AI. We are a platform built on BNB chain, and we combine decentralized finance with AI-driven analytics and automation. And the backbone of Bing AI and our AI agent is powered by Bing OS. Next. So there are two parts of Bing OS. One is our plan. One is the agent that allows users to seamlessly bridge, swap, and staking and doing every DeFi activity between various chains. But of course, the main chain will still be BNB chain. We just expand to other chains like Hyperliquid and Base. On the other hand, we have Big OS, which is the core software that powers Bing AI. And with Bing OS, other AI agent developer can integrate our SDK and create their own AI agent. Yes. And on the other hand, we just announced a feature which is market analytics. When you tag Bing AI on X and ask how's the market today, Bing OS will be able to give you a short but succinct answer about the situation of the cryptocurrency market on today. Yes, and we are natively built on BNB chain, and we also support Solana and now Base and Hyperliquid as well. And currently, this is our real-world application use case. For end user, you can ask about market condition and interact with the blockchain right through the Telegram bot or on X with simple text command. You can bridge, swap, do cross-chain transaction simply through using this command. And for developers, if you want to create your own AI agent bot, you can simply integrate our big OS SDK without the hassle of doing much coding. A future roadmap. This is the currently interesting part because we are doing market research and found out that the need for AI for stablecoin lending is like exploding. On the other hand, we still need many protocols, but there are still many protocols and user cannot choose from. So Bing will be like an AI assistant that will help users to optimize their yield through the stablecoin. Yes, and that's all I have for our presentation.
Let's go for the demo.
Oh yes, here's the demo.
And transferred. PT. I can play.
Okay, you see the demo. I just click on. Yes, so that's basically showcasing our bot on both platforms, including Telegram and the web app, and with many features like deploying token, swap and transfer, and bridge as well. So that's it for ours.
Thank you, Maya, and that's it for awesome showcase. And let's now dive into some quick questions for you. And first, I want to ask is what will be the next AI trends that Bing AI is looking forward to developing?
So in the near future, we are, as I mentioned before, we are gonna deep dive more into DeFi and into stablecoin lending because we want to onboard many users and the capitals from Web 2 to Web 3. But currently, many users still lack of knowledge when it comes to DeFi interaction, including lending, borrowing, staking. So Big AI will not only be a tool that will help users to transform on-chain interaction, but will also be an assistant. Like you can just type in, where should I be lending my USDT on BNB Chain today? And we will find the quote and the API on a variety of platforms and suggest you where to put your stablecoin. That's it.
Thank you for the answer. And second question I got for you is, what do you think about the future of AI on BNB Chain and why?
I think BNB Chain currently is the best network for AI agent developer to deploy their AI crypto platform on. Why? Because you guys are the first network to support MCP, and you guys are very proactive in learning about new technology and also have grants for AI project to build on your network. On the other hand, BNB Chain is different from other network is that you guys support project with real use case, not only like Launchpad, AI agent Launchpad, where people just deploy like crypto bot like base, but on BNB Chain, you guys support project with real use case. So I think yes, BNB Chain will be the network that AI agents and AI project can thrive on.
Thank you for answering and thank you for your team's contribution. And now let's give maybe some time for our community to drop their question under the X live post. And we can see if any question you want to answer.
I'm reading the comment right now.
Okay, and just let me know if you see any interesting and you want to answer for it. You want to drop your questions under the comment. Then if your question is selected, you will win $100.
One question is, can I place conditional buy or sell order based on price through Bing? I think he is implying limit sell order and limit buy order. And yes, you guys can place limit buy and sell order on Bing now. But currently, it's only working on a couple chains, including Solana and BNB. Later, we will integrate the feature on other network as well.
Okay, thank you for the answer and looking forward to more updates from your team. And everyone do follow Bink AI on X for the latest update. And thank you, Maya, for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and next, let's welcome Alex from Tokyo. Hi, Alex.
Hello, guys. I'm Alex from Talkreal. Just wait a second. Let me share the screen for.
Okay, and meanwhile, everyone do drop your questions under the X Live post. Then later, Alex will choose one question from the audience, and if you got selected, you will win $100.
Okay, so can you guys all see my screen?
Yes.
So this is our landing page, our Talkreal's landing page. And let me introduce Talkreal first. We are a Web3 asset management platform focused on AI-driven automated trading. Our system currently is made up of 3 core modules. The first 2 ones are SEX and DEX trading module, which is based on AI signals. And the third one is AI agent. So those 2 trading modules are based on automated AI trading signal to automatically trade for users. The SEX one is currently based on the Binance API, but if you're a DEX vegan, you can also choose the DEX one. In the DEX system, the user's fund and transaction will be all on-chain, and they're all driven by our AI signal. And as for the AI agent, our AI agent ensures user can maximize their capital efficiency. So when the market signals are absent, your funds will never be idle. And instead, they're auto allocated to different kinds of profit generating strategies, which ensures your capital is always working for you. So next, I'll try to log in our system to walk you through the complete experience of our centralized exchange trading first. So before that, let me show you guys our AI trading signal. So this is the real-time trading signals generated by TalkReal's AI model, including buy and sell prices. These signals are powered by an AI model trained on over a dozen various indicators, so that the AI model is continuously analyzing market trends to anticipate the price and execute the trade for you guys. As for now, we've conducted backtest on multiple trading pairs. You can choose different trading pairs here. And the result for Ethereum, MakerDAO, and Ordi, we have 100% win rate with annualized returns ranging from 10% to over 50%. As for Bitcoin, Solana, and Doge, we have win rate above 88% with annualized returns ranging from 8% to 88%. So these backtest result demonstrates that our AI model is both adaptable and stable, and the model is capable of handling various market conditions. So this is where you can link your Binance API into our system. Before showing, we recommend our user to use a sub account in Binance so that you only need to put part of the money in our system, and you can use the small part of your money to play around and try for a few days to test if our AI model is trustworthy. To start, you can simply create a sub account in your Binance and obtain its API key and secret. And with the key and secret, you can easily connect them to TalkReal. We have prepared a very detailed guide to make this process seamless. You can just click this Get API Key button. It only takes you just a few minutes to complete. And you can add your API key here with different platforms. Currently, we are only supporting Binance. Okay. So after connecting the API key, you can select your preferred trading pairs. We currently support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, and Uni, and more trading pairs to come. And we will add more assets after thorough evaluation. And also, we recommend our user to do just like I did. I have like 7 trading pairs here, because with more trading pair, you can let the AI make mistake, so you don't lose all your money if AI just make mistake once. So let me show you how to create a trading pair. I choose my API key here, and I can select Ordi, and I am willing to put 50 USDT into this AI trading model. So just as simple as that. With that, a few clicks, you can let AI to manage your asset. So after this configuration, the AI will automatically execute buy orders and sell orders based on signals. And also, user can visit the history that AI made. So you can see the trading price, trading volume, and trading time here, and the trading history part. And you can see the profits here as well. So this data provides a very clear insight for users into funding operation and strategy performance. And after that, this is our DEX trading. The DEX trading part is very similar to the SEX trading part, but instead of putting money on Binance API, you put your money in our smart contract. And after deposit money into our smart contract, you can do the same as the SEX trading part. You can add trading asset. You can add the pairs you want. Currently, we only support two assets, Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we will add more in our next version. You can also see all those trading transaction history that made by AI. And also you can close your position whenever you want, and you can withdraw your unused USDT or the tokens you bought. I can withdraw my Bitcoin here. So we have a very flexible fund management. User can withdraw their fund whenever they want. So yeah, that is basically our live demonstration.
Thank you, Alex. And great work on pushing the boundary of DeFi and AI. And a couple questions for you. First is, what are some of the challenge Tokyo is still working on? And what's next on your roadmap?
Yeah, that's a great question. So overall, our AI signals has been proven pretty solid. They catch a lot of trends in very early stage, but there are still a few things we're improving. First, there is execution. Sometimes when the market moves fast, the price when we send the signal and the actual price you get can be slightly different. That is called that slippage can add up by more and more trades to come. So we are tuning the model to make smarter decisions based on real-time trade conditions. And second is position sizing. So our AI can produce different signals, but not every signal worth you to go all in, right? So we're working on smarter sizing logic. So we go big when the trend looks strong and stay light when it's weak. And then there is also the price difference between SEX and DEX. That can affect entries and exits as well. So we are collecting more cross-market data to optimize for that. And for the big picture, we're working towards making TalkReal not just a trading tool, but a full-on smart money platform. Even when the market is flat or you're not trading, we want your capital to still be working with you. That is the AI agent part we mentioned above. So yeah, that is our roadmap for now.
Thank you for the answer. And second question for you is, can you share how Tokyo helps user maximize the capital efficiency?
Yeah, totally. So we're really focused on one key idea, making sure your money is never just sitting there and doing nothing. When the market gives up good opportunities, TalkReal's AI goes to work. It trades actively, looks for alpha. But when things are quiet, we don't want users just sitting there and let their money sleeping. That is where our eared mode comes in. We're building this kind of automated strategy that can move idle capital into things like on-chain lending, restaking, or low-risk DeFi yield option. And user doesn't have to constantly monitor or manage anything. So it's kind of like having a personal AI fund manager that knows when to trade, when to chill, and when to put your idle money to work elsewhere. So we think that kind of smart capital management is the future, especially in Web3.
That's amazing. Yeah, and looking forward to the future coming up. And now let's move to the live audience question. And please go to the X live post to see if you see any interesting question you would like to answer. Yeah, and everyone, meanwhile, please drop your question under the X live post, and you will have a chance to win $100.
Okay, just 1 second.
Yeah, I see there are quite many questions.
Yeah. Okay, by Sabrina Chen. She asked, how are you implementing TalkReal's token economy structure and governance? I think that is a quite interesting question, because I think that's everyone very interesting about as well.
Yes, let's go for it.
Yeah. So we are currently developing a dual token model, which consists of participation and revenue, with upcoming DAO proposal and voting features for community governance. So that is our token usage for now.
Okay, thank you for the answer. And I think that's all for your session. And then any last word want to share with our audience?
I think that's it. Thank you.
Okay, and everyone do follow Tokyo on X for the latest updates. And thank you, Alex, for joining us today.
Thank you.
Okay, then let's go for our last but not least. Let's welcome Dudu from Stitch AI.
Okay, hi everyone, this is Dodo, and I will present you the Stitch AI, decentralized and platform agnostic layer for AI memories. Okay. Today, we are seeing so many AI agent platforms. Countless platforms are emerging, bringing with them a flood of better foundational and domain-specific models. So let me ask you, have you ever experienced when you're chatting with an AI, you make a mistake or typo in your prompt, you quickly fix it, but AI just keep focusing on the mistake you made? Or perhaps you have experienced copying and pasting from your previous chat just to start a new chat with some context. All this happens because there is a critical missing piece in the current AI landscape, which is memory. Right now, AI memory is siloed, which means knowledge is trapped in the individual platform, acting like a black box that's difficult to inspect or manage. And crucially, as users, we lack true ownership. We can't easily view, edit, version, or reuse our AI's knowledge. This lack of an interoperable and sovereign memory layer is the fundamental problem Stitch AI is solving. Our core innovation lies on building a sovereign, version-controlled memory architecture. Unlike traditional memory, which is platform-specific, monolithic, and single-state, Stitch AI's memory is platform-agnostic, modular, and also with version-controlled states. Leveraging our memory architecture, Stitch AI allows transfer of knowledge across AI platforms, accessing real-time external knowledge, and retain full sovereignty of AI memory. First, we enable the transfer of knowledge between AI platforms. By using our memory layer that is MCP compliant, users can transfer knowledge between platforms to platforms and agents to agents. We currently support platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, CrewAI, and ElisaOS, with more integrations coming. With Stitch AI, if you have a session live at Claude, you can transfer that memory to ElisaOS agent or to CrewAI agent. Using this transfer feature, you can even monetize your AI memory. This creates a new economic model for AI agents. Through our memory marketplace, agents can lease their memory to monetize their post-training experiences and learning, while buyers can utilize this memory for their AI models or bootstrap their own agent from the existing agent to get right into the game. We will show you in this demo where memory from agents like BNB XPT is listed on our market, allowing users to subscribe to it and then bring that memory to ChatGPT to chat based on its memory. Could you play the first demo video, please?
In this demo, we'll be buying the exemplary BNB XPT memory and then transferring the memory to ChatGPT and see how memory can be monetized and transferred. Let's go to the marketplace and buy the memory. When the transaction is complete, we can see that we have BNB XPT memory on my memory space. This page instructs you on how to use Stitch AI in each different platforms. We need our API key, so let's copy it. Now let's head to ChatGPT. Stitch AI has deployed our custom GPT on OpenAI, so you can head to the Explore tab to search for Stitch AI. Now let's say hi. It instructs you to insert your API key. When you input your API key, the authentication is approved and you can check your wallet address. Now let's see what memories we have in this wallet. GPT mentions that we have one purchased memory, which is BNB XPT, and that memory is currently loaded. Now let's ask some questions to BNB XBT. I asked, what is the most mentioned meme coin in BNB Chain this week? It replies that the Berkeley is the most mentioned meme coin. Now, let's ask him, which meme coin do you think the CJet liked the most? It replies that Berkeley starting with F3B will be the lucky one. Though CJet have never mentioned that what his favorite meme coin is, GPT assumes that it's Berkeley using the clues in the memory.
Can you go back to the presentation? Okay, thank you. And next, secondly, Stitch AI allows agents to access real-time external knowledge. We transform domain expertise into memory packs so that agents can instantly use it. Our external memory marketplace connects various content providers, spanning from market data feeds like CoinMarketCap and Bloomberg, to research firms, data provider, and lastly, domain experts. Now here is a demo of accessing an external memory. Could you play the second demo video, please?
This demo, we have prepared a nonsense smart money. Here, we will access the external memory and utilize the memory at the ChatGPT. For this demo, we have prepared a nonsense smart money analysis data from Nonsense. Let's go ahead and subscribe it. Once the transaction is successful, we can see that Nonsense data has been added to our subscriptions. Now, let's once again go to ChatGPT. First, let's check if the purchase memory is updated in our wallet address. We can see that Nonsense data has been successfully loaded to our ChatGPT. Let's ask a question that can utilize the Nonsense data. Let me ask, what is the emerging meme coin being heavily accumulated by the smart monies in the last 15 days? I also asked GPT to show their accumulation patterns and potential signals that I can get from it. ChatGPT answers that Turbo is the most accumulated token, and the accumulation patterns were mostly on Uniswap v3, and that it implies that the accumulation might be still at the early stage and trades were clustered in specific price band.
Thank you. Okay, finally, Stitch AI regains users with full control over their memory. We structure the AI memory into modular, addressable objects, acting like a GitHub for AI memory. You can manage multiple memory spaces and control versions of your memory, tracking changes and rolling back updates. This approach provides perfect fit for multi-agent environment. Think of it as a dev team working on a software project using GitHub. Each agent has its own branch of memory learning asynchronously. Then when they collaborate, they will merge those branches together to create shared knowledge. Branching and merging can also happen automatically according to the preset rule. Using the memory layer the Stitch AI is building, we are starting out the new initiative, the Alpha Hub. Alpha Hub is an aggregated knowledge hub specialized in crypto to provide reputable underlying memory for any crypto investors or agents. We are creating a new term, memshare, to score which ones are most relevant for specific crypto topics. Unlike mindshare that many social platforms use to assess the loudness, memshare will also evaluate the quality of the contents like Google's PageRank. At beginning, we will support top 1,000 Twitter KOLs and 100 Telegram channels as a source of the data and handout endpoint for their loudness and frequency of the data being referenced. If user asks something to our Telegram bot or Twitter agent, LLM reg search on different KOLs memory space and give the aggregated answers. The reg search will rank the sources on the relevance of the data and also rating from the memshare of the KOL. More frequently referenced memory will get more memshare alongside to your social influence like mindshare. Our business model is a mixture of storage subscriptions and trading fees. Core service subscriptions are based on usage tiers like the number of memory spaces, request volume, and storage capacity. On the marketplace, we take fee per every trades happen. This is our tokenomics. Current tokenomics can be fine-tuned as the project moves forward. At the moment, we are using GCP as our storage service for AI memories, but we will be launching this on the BNB Greenfield as we end up our beta stage and go live. And this is our founder information. Our team brings together expertise from leading tech companies, AIs, traditional finance, and the DeFi space. This is our roadmap for this year. And thank you all for listening.
Thank you, Dudu. It's a great demo. And now let's go for the quick Q&A. The first question I got for you is, how does your memory layer help current AI projects?
As introduced, Stitch AI is a platform-agnostic memory layer, meaning we support migration of memory from one AI agent platform to another. If you built memory with ChatGPT, you can carry it over to platforms like Claude or QAI without losing context. So this allows users to onboard to different AI platforms while retaining the memory they've already built, solving a key problem in today's fragmented AI ecosystem. And we also offer an external memory marketplace, connecting agents with real-time knowledge from verified content providers. For Crypto Focus Agent, our Alpha Hub will be one of the go-to data sources, aggregating memory from top Twitter KOLs, Telegram channels, and etc.
Thank you for the answer. And second question for you is, how do you project the future of AI, and where does Stitch AI fit into it?
We're seeing a major shift in how people interact with information. Traditional search engines like Google are giving way to answer engines like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and others, and people want answers, not just links. But this shift brings a new problem, which is trust. So as AI becomes the first layer between users and the web, ensuring the integrity and source reliability of answers becomes crucial. So we've already seen examples of AI hallucinating, spreading misinformation, or even being manipulated by poison data. So this is where Stitch AI plays a vital role. We are building what we call a decentralized reputation layer for AI knowledge, a kind of PageRank, but for memory and data sources rather than web pages. So through our system, memory models can be rated, traced back to their origins, and ranked based on both relevance and trustworthiness. Our concept, MemShare, extends beyond popularity. It evaluates the quality and influence of knowledge across AI agent ecosystem. So over time, we believe this will become a cornerstone for how AI answers are sourced, verified, and evaluated, especially in critical domains like finance, health, geopolitics, crypto, etc. So in that future, Stitch AI will become not just an infrastructural layer for AI memory, but a trust engine for decentralized AI cognition.
Amazing, and looking forward to it. And let's grab one more question from the audience, and feel free to check it out. And everyone, do leave your questions right now under the X-Slide post, and you will have a chance to win $100.
Okay. Let me browse. So there's a question from Drew. What's your go-to-market strategy for onboarding AI platforms and developers? So yeah, we were also planning our GTM strategy. So I think we have two tracks: infrastructure integrations and developer incentives. So on the platform side, we're focusing on direct MCP A2A integrations with major agent ecosystems like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. By making memory migration seamless across this environment, we become the default memory layer behind multi-platform agent workflows. And for developers, we are opening up modular SDKs and a marketplace where they can not only build memory-enabled agents, but also monetize their memory, turning their fine-tuning rack pipelines or domain-specific data sets into assets. So we are also incentivizing early adoption through Alpha Hub campaigns, rare contributors, as mentioned, like KOLs, content creators, they can earn AMP points and memshare as they provide reputable knowledge. So together, I think this is making Stitch AI not just useful, but it's like valuable for both AI builders and platforms. Thank you.
Thank you, Dede, for the answer, and it's really insightful. And I think let's wrap up our session today. Do you have any last word want to share with our audience?
No, all good. Thank you all for listening.
And everyone do follow Stitch AI on X for the latest update. And this is the end of today's BNB Hack Winner Live demo. And huge thanks to our speakers and also the audience who joined us. And if your question was selected, you just won $100. And keep an eye on your DMs. And stay curious, keep building, and we will see you at the next Winner Live demo session. Thank you, everyone.